Okay, in this very last section of 165, we're going to deal with application problem, which means word problem. So usually it will be like this. You're going to translate whatever the wording here. Checkpoint number 6, page number 65. Let's read it. Okay. The peak of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters above sea level. Above sea level, assuming this is sea level. And this mountain is 8848 meter above sea level. The Mariana Trench on the floor of Pacific Ocean, okay, that's deep below the sea level, which means below the sea level, meaning this will be the elevation will be negative. The sign will be negative. So this what this section is about is 10,915. Meaning this is so deep. We're going to use negative 10,915. Okay. Meters below the sea level. Then the question here, what is the difference in elevation between the peak of the Mount Everest and the Mariana Trench? So here I'm introducing one important the phrase here. The difference between two things. The difference between two things. Always use the subtraction. In that same order. Mount Everest first, happened first. That's the positive 8,848. And the Mariana Trench, the difference. So use the first number, subtract the second number, as you can see. For this example, if you use 8,848, subtract 10,915. That is the difference between these two elevations, as you can see. I'll subtract a negative. This is a negative number, because it's below the sea level. So you got to take that into consideration. Translate that below the sea level as this. So you subtract a negative. So in this case, we use this kind of algebraic expression to represent whatever the situation. You subtract a negative, opposite of the negative number. You will be adding the positive of that number. So the actual difference of these two numbers, well, use your calculator to get it. Here I use hand to do it. 3 here, 6 here, 7 here, 9 here. 19,763 meter. So how are you going to read the final answer? You're going to say the difference between the Everest mountain, okay, and the Mariana Trench is 19,763. That's difference from here to here. The difference, use the first number, subtract the second number. That will be the difference between them, 19,763. Okay? This is the end of our section 1.6.